Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways and my tiny kitchen today. Well, I'm about to make family lasagna, and I'm going to make a video of how to do that, but then I realized I was out of Italian seasoning mix, which is one of my favorite, if not the favorite, of mine to use in the kitchen. It is very easy to put it together with the spices that I have. So I thought I would show you how to put together an Italian spice blend that you can store in a jar and pull it out whenever you need it. Well, if you don't mind overlooking my ingredients that I have set out for the lasagna recipe, let's look at what I have for the Italian seasoning blend. It's simply a half a cup each of these herbs. Thyme, marjoram, basil, parsley, oregano, and rosemary. These are dried herbs from the Amish bulk food place where I like to get my herbs in Ohio. Now, my recipe calls for a half a cup of each of these, but I'm only doing a fourth a cup because of the space in my kitchen. They're going to go in this labeled jar that I keep in my pantry here on the RV. I'm just going to combine a fourth a cup of each one of these. This recipe can be found in my first cookbook, which is currently in the editing process. And no, I'm not very specific about this, am I? I'm not spooning it out. I'm eyeballing it. But this recipe is found in my first cookbook, and the working title of that is called From Katie's Kitchen. And it should be out very soon for purchasing. Like I said, I know this isn't exact, but, you know, it gets the job done. It's okay. Marjoram is a cousin to oregano. So let's put her cousin in here. Oregano. I love this spice blend. It's one of my very favorite. The fresher the better. And that might sound odd because we are talking about dried spices, or herbs rather, but still, you don't want to get some that have been sitting on the shelves for months and months and months. I feel good about the ones that I get from the bulk food store. I can't recommend to you where that is for you to mail order, or for you, you know, they're not online, they don't have electricity, so they don't have an online presence. But just find a good source of bulk herbs near you.